Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the island. Number 1. An island is a piece of land completely surrounded by water. Number 2. Islands come in various sizes. Number 3. Many islands are formed by volcanic activity. Number 4. Islands can be found in oceans, seas and lakes. Number 5. Islanders often have unique cultures and traditions. Number 6. Island climates range from tropical to polar. Number 7. There are two types of islands, continental and oceanic. Number 8. Continental islands are part of continents. Number 9. Oceanic islands are formed from volcanic activity or coral growth. Number 10. Some famous islands include Hawaii, Bali and Iceland. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.